Nadurog kasi sa puso ko. Siyempre, yung future ng bansa natin sa mga kabataan. Napanood ko yung balita sa Mindanao na lindol, bumaksak yung bubong sa isang elementary school. Nadurog talaga puso ko sa sobrang naawa ko sa yung mga bata. Hindi naman malaki. Kung hanggat kaya ko, ginawa ko konting tulong para makatulong tayo sa kapwang Pilipino.
Annyeonghaseyo, Sir Ryan. On this special day, I wish you a happy birthday. We celebrate not only your life, but also the kindness and the generosity you've shown in our school. On behalf of Mahayahay Elementary School, your generous donation for the reconstruction of our school building that recently damaged by the 7.8 earthquake means so much to us. From all of us, Mahayahay Elementary School faculty and staff, thank you, Sir Ryan, for being such an inspiration.